How do affirmations work? We often get stuck in negative thought patterns, and negative thoughts lead to negative feelings. Depression, a lack of faith, hopelessness, even overwhelming anxiety. Affirmations can work if we believe them at a deep level, but often we don't. We might say an affirmation like, I trust this will be a good year. Only good things will happen. But what if we don't believe what we're affirming? Then we're in a conflict. We're saying one thing, but it is not our truth. Deep down, we're afraid of being disappointed again or afraid of failure. For effective affirmations, we have to believe them. And this means we have work to do. We have to clear out old traumas and wounds. We have to find new ways to look at our lives and the world differently. We might have to read inspirational stories or go to therapy. We might have to find feelings that we have banished, like anger at how we've been treated in the past. Moving into empowerment is a journey. It doesn't happen overnight.